Hi guys, I heard you are having troubles. I'm here at my home. I'm isolated, and I'm going to explain the first exercise and the other one after that, one by one. I hope it's going to work that way. Maybe Monday we can have an online class. I don't know how much it's going to work, but I'm going to forward materials, and please take the time to see them. Thank you. Hi guys, this is the first exercise. I saw that few of you had mistakes, so probably you need some help. How can we calculate the distances at the moment? Look here, about the point O. Distance is always the perpendicular from the point to the direction of the force. I saw few of the assignments people sent me by email, and this was the problem. So it means that I have always moment except the case when the point is at the line of action of the force. And clockwise negative, counterclockwise positive. So let's start from the point O. This is the point O, this is the force 50, the force 60, the force 20, and the force 40. Thanks God, all the forces are either horizontal or vertical. I don't have any bad guys. Bad guys are the guys which are in an angle, and of course when are in the angle, we're going to divide in two components, as we're going to do in the next exercises. So, force 50, what's the distance? Perpendicular from here, you see, is 2. So all those distances by your head, you have to evaluate. And this rotate clockwise, minus. Let's go to the force 60. You see the force 60? Point O is at the line of action of the force 60. So there is no moment. Some of the students wrote 60 times 4 because they consider this distance. We said that we can slide the force in the line of action. If I slide the force 60, I bring it here, nothing is going to change, but the moment is 0. Now look the force 40. The force 40 is rotating in the same direction as the force 50, so clockwise. So negative as well. And what is the distance? Is the perpendicular from the point to the direction of the force. This is the direction of the force. My pen, this is the direction of the force. So it means that this distance is 2 plus this distance here. This distance you have to evaluate from this triangle. This angle is 30 degrees, so this third part is 3 cosinus 30. So it's gone. Now the force 20. What is the distance of the force 20? Is the perpendicular from the point O to the direction of the force. So this is the distance from here. So the distance is, this is the distance, this one. So it's 3 sinus 30. Sinus 30 is 0.5, so this is 1.5. So the distance of force 20 is 1.5. And the rotation now is clockwise. So you see this force, counterclockwise. This force rotates clockwise, this one clockwise, this other one counterclockwise. So I hope it's clear. For the point A, is almost the same, but it's a difference. You see, the force 50 is at the point A, so the moment is 0. The force 60 does not give moment about point A, because point A is in the line of action of the force. So what is left? Only 40 and 20. The force 20 rotates counterclockwise, so positive, and the distance is the same. You see, is the same distance, 1.5. So you see something, that the force 20 has the distance 1.5 from point A, OA, and 1.5 from point O. So because OA is parallel with 20, as we're going to see, even about point B, the distance is the same. So because these are parallel. Okay, so it's 20 times 1.5, and what is left is the force 40. The force 40 rotates clockwise, and the distance is shorter than before. Before was 2 plus 2 plus 3 cosinus 30. Now it's only 2 plus 3 cosinus 40. Let's go to the point B. To the point B, the moment of this force is 0, but now I have the force 50, which rotate counterclockwise 50 times 2. And after I have 20 rotate counterclockwise this way, so 20 times 1.5, and 40 rotate clockwise. And the distance of the force 40 is only this one, which is 3 cosinus 30. And if I go to the point C, those two forces, they don't give moment about point C because they are there, so there is no distance. The force 60 rotates with this distance. The distance is 1.5 and the sign is negative because clockwise, and the force 50 rotates, as you see, counterclockwise, so positive. The distance is 2 plus this distance, which is 3 cosinus 30. That's it for the first exercise. Please try to play this video again and again and again until you are going to understand it, because it's very important, guys. I'm sorry that this thing happened, but you have to go to know the moment, because it's going to be a must, as we are going to see maybe next year. Hopefully we'll be together. Thank you.